Hey guys, I'm looking at this trailer right here. I am bidding on this trailer. I want this trailer. See the damages here. Not too bad. Isn't too bad at all. As long as it don't leak. If it don't leak, I think we might have something here. Floor isn't damaged. Yeah, I like it. 5 lugs. 2 framing. Thing looks to be in good condition. Uh-oh. Still seeing good. Might not be. Well, I guess it is, but I don't know. This seems to be pretty good. I like it. That hole and them damaged sheets right at the front, but it feels sturdy. In here. Of course, these things ain't all that sturdy, but this one seems. Yeah, I'm really thinking about buying this one. 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. It's like 14 feet. It's like 14 feet. Yeah. It's like 14 feet, I think. I think I can work with this. Just gotta stop it from leaking up there. If that's the case, get rid of these rags. Don't need them. And these doors. This side, this corner is straight. Just need a new door to be placed there. And this corner needs to be bent back out at the lower end down here. But here need to be bent back out. We can put some doors back on here. Just put the door on here by itself because this side is straight. This side is straight, so okay. So yeah, I'm gonna leave my bid on this. Well, you can't take a bid off anyway, but I might bid a little higher than what I got it. I like that one. This is a really nice one, but that's gonna go a little too high for me. I know that. I'm looking at this horse stable too. This was out here for a while. A couple of doors in here. I actually was going to bid on this thing before, but if I get this out of my bid on this now. But got this one on my watch list. Okay, guys, let's go back up to the front. I want to see this thing, and I like it. It's good enough. Right now, I got a storage, and they went up on that. They went up on my storage price. going up to $153 now. So I might as well buy one of these, put all my stuff in here, and stop paying that storage. Well, that's if I win it. Might not win it, you know. Like I always say, I'm not gonna bid too much. Never gonna bid too much. Well, maybe sometimes, but not often. But nothing ain't up in here. Oh. Wasp nest up in there. Woo. Get out of there if I get stung by wasps. Okay, we're gonna go back up now. This will be the end of this video, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.